Hi, I'm Dorothy Creamer, Managing Editor for Hospitality Technology Magazine. We're here at the 10th Annual Hotel Technology Forum, and with me is David Heckaman, Vice President of Technology Development for Mandarin Oriental Hotel Group. David is with us to accept a Hotel Visionary Award for Mandarin Oriental's development of a technology innovation lab. David, if you could tell us a little bit about this initiative and what it meant for Mandarin Oriental.
Yeah, sure. A couple years ago, we have an office in Atlanta. We decided to carve out a part of that space, really to create a innovation lab to allow us to test some of the concepts that we would look for future development, future hotel projects. To test them, obviously, in our lab before putting them into a real life hotel. And it allowed us. We wanted to do it in a showcase fashion, so everything is done in a kind of a high fit and finish. And so instead of doing it in a technology tabletops with engineers touching everything, it's actually done so that we can bring our own internal ownership as well as developers and property owners into the lab and explain it to the technology initiatives in a concept that they can understand, or in a way that they can understand, and doing it in a finished product is a lot easier than see a bunch of wires and all the parts behind the scenes that make things work.
Great, wonderful. Well, a well-deserved award. And now tomorrow you're also pulling double duty here at HTF. You are also doing a session on hyperconnectivity. Can you tell us a couple of the key takeaways you're hoping that attendees will take away from that session?
Yeah, sure. So I think that the session is about where we've been from a bandwidth standpoint and an infrastructure standpoint, where we are today, and really where the world's going, and the needs going into a hotel. Really, we're at a kind of a cusp where the future growth of bandwidth requirements and density of wireless devices, et cetera, are really going to drive hotels to really have to change the way that they've built their hotels or renovated their hotels from a technology standpoint. So we really want to drive the point that really they need to look at their infrastructure on several fronts, both on the backbone, the distribution network, as well as the endpoints into the guest room, to really allow the future connectivity needs that a hotel guest room or public space is really going to demand.
Great. And you have been to Hotel Technology Forum before. What do you particularly enjoy about this forum?
Well, I just think that the having a large body of hoteliers, as well as some really good focused sessions that are driven more toward the hotelier function and their needs, versus really having it a large mix of really pushing vendor solutions, et cetera. So having a kind of a short, focused couple days, I think, is really well needed. It's good interaction with other people in the same boat as us, technology innovators, and being able to have some camaraderie and at the end of the day have a good time in Vegas. So.
Great, wonderful. Well, we're thrilled to have you here. Thank you so much for taking the time to talk to us, and enjoy the forum.
I sure will. Thank you.